Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Seafood is the all-time favorite of most of us. They are really amazing and serves a lot of health benefits. Here we're going to present to you an amazing recipe of creamy garlic shrimps. This is a great keto recipe also. So come, let's start with the process. Here I'm taking the shrimps which is cleaned and deveined. Let's marinate it with salt, black pepper and fresh lime. Now give a good mix to coat well with the spices. Then keep it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now for the cooking, heat a pan at medium to low. Add olive oil. Olive oil gives a nice flavor and aroma to the dish. Add crushed garlic. And roast it to light brown. Now it's time to add the shrimps. Let's coat it well with the spices. And roast for 2 to 3 minutes. And cook on both sides. We can see the shrimps releasing water on cooking, so we have to continue cooking till the water is almost done. It's always good to keep at low flame so that we get the softly cooked shrimps. When we get to know that it's almost done, take it to a bowl. Let's keep it aside while we make the creamy garlic sauce. Into the same pan, add butter, as it melts, add some crushed garlic and roast it. Then I'm going to add warm water. But you may also use any vegetable stock or fish stock. Bring it to boil and then we add the fresh cream. Then mix well till the cream and the stock are well incorporated. Then we add Parmesan cheese and combine all together. Also, add some black pepper and salt as per taste. After adding the cream and cheese, we need not cook for a long time, but just to get it all well combined. Now we're going to add the cooked shrimps to the delicious sauce. Coat each of them with the sauce. Lastly, for an additional flavor, let's garnish with some red chili flakes and finely chopped parsley. Now it's time to off the flame and serve. Serve hot and enjoy with your favorite meals. Do give a try, and we hope to hear from you the feedbacks. Thank you for being with us, and see you next time.